Hello, I'd like to share with you a model that I've been working on, and I just finished modeling together with another 3D artist. His name is Michael Olasanya. This is a building based on a hotel from San Francisco called Hotel Columbia, and we created a 3D version of it which is fairly low poly. The entire hotel is composed of 35,627 faces, which is not too much even for game engines such as Unity, but it's enough to give you a lot of detail, including all the fire escapes and railings, detailed windows, and a lot of meticulous details which we made sure that this hotel has to be true to life, so that you actually have, fire escape route even from the top windows all the way to the ground. You have a ladder that extends here down to the ground so people can escape in case there is an emergency. And you have things like shops at the bottom, including a ATM, which will look much better after it's been textured. But you can see that all the modeling has been done very well, all quads, no overlapping faces, very low poly considering the amount of detail. So I have to praise Michael for doing a great job on this building, and we will have this building available after it's completed, after it's painted. I'm planning to paint it today, and it should be available by tomorrow. I want to give it several different paint jobs, so if people want to use it in their project, they can choose a different look for it. Okay, thank you for watching and allowing me to share this beautiful model with you. Bye bye.